Welcome and hello. How you doing? What happens if I put a little bit more light over here? Oof. Um, who is this Persian rug in my body? Where is this in our bodies? We have one of these. We have one of everything. God created us and the animals. He had no choice. Sorry for using he, but the entity had no choice. It was, don't create that, then don't create me. Because part of that is me. Otherwise, you know what happens in science. There's also the what continues on growing. Well, we'll stop it here for this, but the end result is that. Some of them we had to dish out. The extinction. You know they call the big extinction? Yes, because the continuation of the advancement before receiving the Spirit, the Holy Ghost, knowing that you're alive, knowing what it means to be alive, to feel the vibration of the planet, to taste something where everything has a meaning to it. And then you have this great polarity of you, and you go to extremes, and you think it's everybody else because you can't control your choo-choo train. So I learned something new today, and it is a binary code in the multiplication house. First of all, I started speaking in the other video before I went on a rant and I forgot about something. That you have two basic houses. You have Mars and you have Earth. Now, everything could have been switched on this planet because you know the planet is this way, right? The planet's not this way. The planet's this way. Let me see. Is that the angle? Let me see. This is the angle, right? This is the angle of our planet. Now, our sun is supposed to be at 45. Is this at 36, between 36 and 45? What is 45? You see, the 45-degree angle would take me right to, what is this? The 45-degree angle was going to take me right to about here. That'll make me square. Remember, the answer to this is in the front of the book. 26.6 by 20.3. There's 6.3 difference. So if we did that math of what the difference is between this and this, it would be 20%. 30%. 30% of this would create 6, and 30%, hold on a second, there's too much light. And then 36, it would be, yeah, it would be like 30.1%, 0.31. Let me see. 26.6 times 68.9 equals to, hold on a second, 20.3 times 1.31 equals 2. 26,593. How did I know? Because 31. 7 times 3, 7 plus 3 equals 21 equals to 3. We used both the same numbers, right? But these came from prior. These are for after. So now what we're going to use is the answer is going to be 7. And the answer is 10 here, sorry. So that's 31. So we're going to go 731. That's the answer, right? Or we're going to go 74 or 73 because this is the gateway polar of the house of DC. This is where energy, Jesus, time comes in. This is where 1 and 1 creation comes in. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 will equal to 3. And where does this come in? I don't remember. Let me see. Is it right? 2 times 2? No. I think I made a mistake the other day saying something equals to 4, because what really equals to 4 is 66 equals to 48 equals to 44. From one side to the other. Anyways, 8 times 4, 32. 8 plus 4, 12. 44. 4 and 4 equals to 8. Oh, we were looking to equal to 4. Oh my God, right. I forgot about that. That's not what was 4. What was 4? Well, 31 is 4. What else is 4? There's another equation that comes out to 4. Let me think. Anyways, let me just continue into this equation. Okay, let me look at it again. Okay, right. So we're going to start out Fibonacci style. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So we have 1 and 2 is a total of 3. Now we're going to go 1 and 3. So we're going to go 1 times 3 equals to 4. 1 plus 3, 1 times 3 equals to 3. The total is 7. Now we're going to move into range number 2. First we were in range 1. We used 1. We used it here. Now we're going to go into range 2. We're using the totals only. It's the star and then the total. Now we use the total over here, 7. So we're going to go 7 and what number did we do? 1 and 2, 7 and 3. So we're going to go 7 times 3 equals to 21, and 7 plus 3 equals to 10 equals to 31. Here we get the cube. Here we will get man. Here we get the cycle of 28. Here we get the DC house. 12 and 7 will run. This will be 75, 25, and 35. 7 and 3 is 10, 5 and 5 is 10. This creates 100. This creates both sides equal, sharing the center, creating the 10-10 world. This 3 and 1 equals to 4. 7 and 4 is Jesus. It is energy. It creates man and the cycle to what is 11. That started the whole thing. So you end up with Jesus and the cycle of man. That started the whole thing. And what is man? Man is 13. So you go 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. You get the female. You get a bat. You get a 2, 1. You get 2, 1, 2. Bat. Which equals 55. 32, 23. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will equal to 5 and 6, 11. And 5 and 6, 11. You have maximized your ABC uses. Your first use was this. Your second use was this. Then you completed this on the first level. Remember, there's levels. First, second, and third. Third is a complete level. First and second is your polarity pole. It is a stand cycle. It is noted to stand on 17 from your creation of 21, in which your average creation is 182. I don't remember what that, which is 2 times something in the deck of cards equals 182 plus 91 equals 273. The deck of cards adding 1 over to 13 equals to 91. Anyways, yes, so you have 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Equals to 2. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now we're going to bring down the 1. Now we go 1 times 3 equals to 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Bring down the 7. Now we're going to do it with the 3. 3 times 7 equals to 21. 3 plus 7 equals to 10 equals to 31. Bring down the 7. 7 times 31 equals to 217 days. 4 years in the cycle. So we went equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 in the total of 731. So what would 731 be? Can we use the whole 31? Did I use the whole 7? Or will I go to 7 and 4? So now, let me see what the equation was. 7 times, so this equation was, I brought down the 7. Let me see, 3 and 4 is 7. I brought down the 3. Here, I brought down the 31. So, now I'm going to go 7 times, yes. So I'm going to go 7 times 4. This is the reverse cycle. 7 plus 4, okay, equals to 28, equals to 11. So now you have the cycle of what is recreation because you come back over here. Now this one will go on and it will reduce to what is the T and G, which is the gateway. The Mayans have it. This is in Gematria, right over here. It's two different sides. So this is your recreation over here. And this becomes energy. This becomes time. This becomes Jesus. This becomes what is in between 5 and 6. What is 5 and 6? 5 and 6 is the rotation of your first rotation of 1 and 2, which becomes 2 and 3, which becomes 5 and 6. So this is a standard cycle continuous, and this is the completion of that cycle that brings you here. And then it brings you to the gateway. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Link, 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 link. The Cubonic house. Thank you for watching. We have all the answers. Let's ask the questions and fill in the blanks. Blank meaning white, empty space.